Hey guys, Ace Wolf here. Today I'm coming back with another video for you guys. Today's video is going to be all about OBS Studio and Discord. So, you know when you guys, people that do own Discord, you go on Discord, you're playing games with your friends or you're doing whatever, and you want to like start a YouTube channel and like start recording with them. And have their voices in the video that you upload to YouTube or whatever website you upload it to. Well, pretty much today I'm gonna teach you guys and show you guys how to have their voices in your video with OBS Studio Recorder. So all you have to do is, first of all, you have to open up OBS Studio. And you can see that I'm recording right now. You have to go into settings. Now, once you're in settings, my theme may look a little bit different from yours. That's because I changed it to Acre. Once you're in settings, you go to audio, and you have to look in this the third and the fourth little bar that they both say desktop audio device and desktop audio device 2. If you want your friends' voices to be in your guys' video, all you have to do is go to the first audio device and you click on the very last one, it should be, which is speakers / headphone, Realtek high definition audio. That's what I have. You click on that, and then if you also want to have like system sounds, pretty much, and game sound, I think as well, you go on to desktop audio device 2 and you click on Intel R display audio. That's what I have right now. Which is my TV and I'm using it as a monitor, and you click on that. Once you guys do that, it should be fine. You just click apply. I'm not going to do that right now. Guess I kind of just did it anyways. You click apply, and once you join Discord again and you start talking to your friends and you start playing games with them and you record with OBS Studio, it should include their voices. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Yeah, peace out.